a hustler. You don't need to ask a hustler where she is getting her money. I'm a big hustler. I work hard for my money.
Okay.
I work very hard for my money. So you don't have the right to ask me where I get my money. The only person that can ask me now and I'll answer is sister. Because sister is a hustler. She works for her money too. So we need to create ideas together. We need to like exchange mindset, business mindset together. Not you. Because if I tell you now I'm wasting my time, you just want to monitor my money. How my money come and go. So
Okay.
don't stop me again.